Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that how can you improve your English language without a teacher. If you don't find any teacher in your surrounding and even you can improve yourself. How can you improve yourself? I will give you the suggestions, best suggestions. If we look back in previous time, if you are watching the present English language speakers, most of them are without a teacher. Because you know that our teaching system is, if we talk about schools, colleges, our teaching system is just to pass the examination. Our teachers are not teaching us to speak the English language. They are teaching us to pass the examination, to write on paper good sentences, memorize sentences, crammed sentences. This is our system, just to memorize the things, not to speak. They are not making the pupil able to speak the English language. So our system is not teaching us to speak the English language. If you are willing to speak English language, you will have to do by yourself your struggle to speak the English language. In this era, in this time, you can get help from social media. Social media is your great teacher. With the help of social media, you can improve yourself. Whatever comes into your mind, any kind of difficulty you are willing to search, you can search on social media. And for speaking, I think that listening is important. You can listen podcast on social media. You can listen YouTube English language videos on social media. When you will listen, that listening is very important for speaking. When you will listen more and more videos, more and more podcasts in English language, then you will imbibe the sentences, those are spoken in their speeches. Then those sentences will be the part of your speech in future. So listen more and more, and where there you find a difficulty, where there you find a difficult word, you can search the meaning of that word through dictionary on social media. You know that there are so many apps, translating apps. You can translate from your national language into English language. So right now the opportunities, facilities are available. Only thing is that you are interested in or not. If you are interested in, then there are lot of opportunities for you to learn English language. And if you are not interested in, there are so many excuses. So for learning in this era, English language is very easy. You can get help from social media. No need of a physical teacher. Physical teacher is required if you find you can practice of speaking with that person. But if you don't find any person in your surrounding, then you can get help from social media. Because social media is in your hand all the time. You will find teacher for some time, but social media is for all time in your hand. Any problems at any time when you face, you can search on social media. You can get the replies from social media. So I think that from social media you can get help of reading, listening. If you are interested to read, you can read the articles. There are a lot of articles available on social media. So many videos available on social media. And then you can do the practice of writing also. You can chat with your friends. You can make friends on international level through social media. You can communicate with them in English language. Through this, you can also improve yourself. When you discuss with each others, you will know each other problems, and this will help you. You can get the guidance from others. You can give others your suggestions. In this way, you can improve your English language. No excuses. If you want to learn English in this era, there is no excuses. Okay? Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. And if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.